Meet Tom, a sales manager drowning in data chaos. His numbers are scattered across 5 systems, leading to inefficiencies and frustration. Every report request becomes a time-consuming hunt, costing him valuable hours. Tom's struggle isn't just about time, it's about hidden costs. Outdated reports and missed opportunities lurk in the shadows, impacting business growth. The chaos of manual data hunting is a silent thief of productivity. Enter Emma, who uses a CRM to streamline her workflow. With everything consolidated, she generates reports in seconds. Her CRM unifies contacts, deals, and communications, transforming chaos into clarity. Emma's CRM is a powerhouse of efficiency. Automated reports and seamless integration mean she spends less time on data and more on growth. Everything she needs is just a click away, saving her hours each week. Tom's manual system misses crucial signals. No alerts for stalled deals or high-value prospects. Missed follow-ups lead to stalled deals. Without a CRM, opportunities slip through the cracks, unnoticed and unaddressed. Emma's CRM keeps her proactive. Automated alerts ensure she never misses a beat. Whether it's a quiet client or a high-intent prospect, her system triggers timely actions, keeping her ahead of the game. Compare Tom's outdated report with Emma's quick turnaround. The difference is stark. By shifting from data hunting to strategic growth, Emma reclaims her time and focuses on what truly matters. Take action today. Unify your data with a CRM. Stop wasting hours on manual tasks and start growing your business. Book a free consultation at www.marketingconsulting.eu and transform your chaos into opportunity. If you don't have a CRM, let me remind you what a CRM is. CRM means Customer Relationship Management System. It is a software that stores all your potential clients and customer information in one place. Instead of contacts in your email, deals in spreadsheets, and notes scattered everywhere, everything lives in a single system. Who your potential clients and customers are, what they bought, when you last spoke, what happens next. One platform. Complete picture. Automated reminders. Real-time reports. Works for any business. Stop hunting data. Unify your data. Start growing. Even a small business or a solo business owner needs a CRM. Build the right CRM foundation now. Scale it as your business grows. Wait until you're bigger? You'll pay 10x more to fix the mess. Migrating scattered data, retraining teams, untangling broken processes. Start simple. Build it right. Scale seamlessly. Visit www.marketingconsulting.eu to book a free consultation to get your CRM. Build the foundation right. Your future self will thank you.